This is Henry Mosley from Home Care Suites, and today we have our general contractor for all of our projects, and of course my dad, Henry Mosley, as well. So Dad, why don't you take us around today and show us everything that's going on in this unit.
Very well, very well. Thank you very much, Home Care Suite fans. Where we are in this project right now is we have just completed all of our rough-ins and just gotten our final rough-in inspections and our frame inspection. And we're getting ready to install drywall, so this is a time when we actually, as the general contractors and builders, we want to walk around, make sure we've got everything in the building, all of our electrical, all of our plumbing, and all of our air conditioning, and our phone and data wires in the proper places behind the walls. So what we're going to do is we're going to move left to right in the building, and we're going to tell you some of the components and some of the features we've got, and just show you what we're building and how it would go if we built one for you. So if you've got questions, please post those questions on our website, and we'll be happy to answer them for you. So we'll just move left to right. Again, you can see we've got our electrical wiring in our boxes inside the wall. This is the half wall that separates our kitchen from our family room. And you can see it's typically at 36 inches. We'll have a nice granite countertop and a drywall back to it. And then our kitchen cabinets will be U-shaped on the back side of the interior of the kitchen. You can see we have a refrigerator space, a microwave wiring, and then receptacles every 24 inches on center around the room, including on the other side of the bar top here. So moving right along here, we'll move into the master bedroom. But before we go there, we have a little coat closet. And there's no utilities inside that, so really not much to show you there. But one of our key features of our buildings are these pocket doors. We like to have our rooms as clean as possible and not have doors swinging into the into the interiors or out into the rooms. Makes a big difference on your ability to furnish and not have doors swinging and blocking openings and walls, since we don't have that much of it. So moving into the master bedroom, we have a very nice walk-in closet, and you can see we have a light switch here. We have a receptacle on the bottom, and we typically put our interior lights on the back side so that it shines light back inside the closet and illuminates the entire wardrobe. Again, nice pocket door that prevents you from having to have a door swinging in or out in your way. Right here, we've decided to put in at least a couple of phone and data outlets right next to a receptacle, so in case our client wants to put a television on this wall, they can do that. And then we've added another one over here in the corner, so just in case they want to put a television over here in the corner. So let's step into the bathroom real quick. Right here, we're going to have a 30-inch base cabinet, and then we're going to have a built-in mirror above it. Our water closet or toilet, as most people know it. And we have an exterior light switch and a door to go out to get access to the pool bath. So if kids and family members want to come in from the pool, not have to come through the front door. If somebody happens to be in there watching TV, then they can come through the back door, use the bathroom, or take a shower and go back out to the pool. And then we have a walk-in shower, as you can see. Got our hot and cold, our valve, our riser, and then a stub out for a shower head. This one is going to have a built-in niche right about in here, and it's also going to have a corner seat for you want to sit down on it, or you want to put your foot up on it, shave your legs. That's what it's there for. So again, a nice pocket door, keep from us having to fight swinging doors in small spaces. So we've eliminated in this room completely all doors. Moving right along again, we have a nice array of electrical receptacles. We have one here by the bed that's going to be switched, so you can put a lamp here, and that will be switched over by the door. And then a washer dryer for our stacked washer dryer. We get a nice big space so that we can slide in a dryer with a stacked full-size washing machine underneath it. And you can see down here in the corner, we've got a stub out for our dryer vent. One of the other features is a a little passive airflow that's going to pull air-conditioned air from this space through this passive vent into the interior, back into the main suite. And then our primary return air for our air conditioning system is right here in the ceiling. As you can see, we have two supplies in this room, one here and one here. I think one of the other things interesting to note, if you look at the complexity of the hurricane strapping and connections that we put in our buildings, this is a Florida Building Code requirement, and something that's not featured on any of the mobile structures. This building is built to withstand any kind of hurricane force winds that this part of Florida might reasonably expect. So, I think the other thing that we may want to make note of is our air conditioning system. This is an LG high static system that sits in the attic. A very, very quiet and very, very high-tech system. And it's got its own little brain in it that knows how to ramp itself up and ramp itself back down depending on the air conditioning requirements of the building. So it actually sort of senses whether it needs to be hotter or colder and makes those changes for you. All of our exterior doors are fiberglass. So they are, you can see 6-panel doors with a composite jamb and a fiberglass opening. These will never rot, never warp, or never go bad on you. So a very, very good product. So I think that pretty much sums it up. Again, if you have questions, please don't hesitate to call us at Home Care Suites or send us an email. Again, we'll answer any kind of questions you might have. So call us, we'd like to build one for you. Thanks.